Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my people. I hope you're all having an amazing day, inshallah. Certainly, I'm having a good day. And today we're gonna just show you guys basically a day in the life. A day in the life of a 22-year-old millionaire here in Dubai. And I just turned 22, by the way. December 22 was my birthday. And it happens once in a lifetime where you turn 22 on the same exact day that you were born. So yeah, I turned 22, alhamdulillah. I'm very grateful, very happy, alhamdulillah. Another blessed year to come and more goals to be achieved. That's certainly the main concern that I'm looking forward to. Not some birthday party, not something like, new year, new me or something like that. All I have in my vision is, of course, the goals that I've set up for 2026 and the things that I have to certainly achieve, inshallah, if Allah wills, of course. And you know what? To even spice up the video even more, I'm going to be giving away $100 to one of the people who watches this video until the end. Make sure you watch until the end to know how you're going to be winning this $100. So I'm very excited for New Year. I'm very excited for today, and I hope you guys will enjoy it, inshallah. I'm basically showing you guys the rawest day in the life that you guys could see. And yeah, if you guys are curious, I'm already done with Fajr and alhamdulillah leaving the house to the office. So I haven't hit the gym though. So that's something that I'll certainly do in some time, probably after afternoon. That's something that, always confuses me if I should do it in the morning. If you guys didn't know, my earlier schedule was like always hitting the gym in the early mornings. But the problem with that was, never got to actually enjoy the work. And the reason why I didn't enjoy the work is because whenever I used to finish the gym, I used to feel tired, boys. And this tiredness always used to get to me. So that's why I don't really hit the gym anymore in the early mornings. But maybe in the future. For now, we're gonna go to the office, inshallah, finish some deep work, and once we're done with the work, we're gonna get done with the rest of the day and see what the day has planned out, inshallah. So let's go to the office.
عبيدك من شتات في شتات أتاك وأنت أخبر بالنوايا جهول ظالم وعليه برد من التسويف أورده البلايا ومع عتبة بابك غير جود فها هو واقف يرجو العطايا وها هو خد شقوته ذليل تعفر ساجدا بين الحنايا أنا والذنب.
Alright, my people, welcome to my cave where I basically do every single thing I'm supposed to get done with in the day. And this is just one of the offices that I have for myself. I have an office for my employees, and I have, of course, international employees working from their homes. But this right here is exactly what I just told you guys. It's my cave. I work hard. I literally work 4 to 6 hours deep work every single morning, non-negotiable. And this is the best place that I could work because it doesn't really have too many windows. It doesn't have noises, none of that stuff. It just has one door, and I come here, shoot my content, get my work done. And that's what I suggest to you guys. If you actually want to be focused on one thing at a time, the best thing you could do is invest into an office or perhaps a studio and actually get your work done right over there. Now, there's a few interesting stuff in this office that I want to show you guys. Of course, you guys have seen the perfumes, the books, and a few other lightings, and this Bugatti right over here. But when I was first getting this office, guys, one of the most expensive things that I bought for this office was this table right here. The craziest part is the guy told me that this is such an interesting table and so many entrepreneurs use it, so many people. I was like, you know what, it actually makes sense. I will be working while I'm standing up and all of that stuff. Thing is, since the day that I've bought it, maybe I've used it once or twice, maybe a few more times, but I don't really use it because once I sat down on this table, guys, I don't even remember about the table. I don't even remember my surroundings. I don't remember anything, boys. So basically what I'm trying to tell you guys is I spent so much on this, I never took advantage of it. And subhanallah, I've been just working like this, sitting down on my PC, and that's how exactly I've been doing everything, without going with the table up or down. I have a few perfume collections right over here, from really expensive to literally gas station perfumes, if you guys know. So this perfume right here is one of the expensive perfumes that I bought a few months ago. There's more that I have at home, and I like this perfume a lot. Whenever I use it, I swear, not every single time, but most often when I use it, People are like, what perfume is that? Like, or who's smelling, you know? So it's a really interesting perfume. We have a few more in the boxes. We have this one, which my friend gifted me. I have a few books. A lot of my books are actually, when I read them, I give it to my friends. So I don't keep it with me. I don't keep it in a shelf. These are perhaps the books that I haven't finished yet. This one is If You're Not First, You Are Last by Grant Cardone. And it's a very interesting book that I'm gonna get to finish. I finished Alex Hermouzi's 100 million offers. So this one is 100 million money modules. And I'm gonna probably finish this as soon as I possibly can because, you know, 2026, you have to be in the right mindset and all of that stuff. And then we have this one, which is Be Obsessed or Be Average. Now, the reason why books are so important, guys, which I never really understood it, never really came into my head, but the books are so important because once you read books, it's actually like, you know, in your brain, you have files. And if you replace those files with better files, you know, you can have either files that could make you really poor, which is you being someone who makes a lot of excuses, someone who complains a lot, to instead of being a man who takes responsibility and all of that stuff, you really change. And this right here is another book, Who Not How. Now this one is a very interesting book. There's some ink that has dropped on this book, but this book is all about hiring and why you should actually have people working for you instead of you doing all of the work by yourself. You have this book right over here, The Sheikh CEO. Now this book, I haven't given it to anyone yet. I'm currently still trying to finish the book. It's actually a lot of pages and I haven't finished it. So perhaps that would be something that I will finish very soon. Yeah, this is basically my cave. Just like I mentioned, guys, I come here, I work all the day, all the time. And, you know, as they say, be obsessed or be average. I'm obsessed with this exact place, obsessed with this, you know, working hours of 4 to 6, deep working hours in the early morning. And then I'm able to do whatever that I want in the afternoon and later through the evening. Is the best thing that I could do, and that's what has helped me get to this position, if you guys are thinking about it. So yeah, I'm gonna get on my PC and start the work and hopefully get some meetings and, you know, print some more cash, and I'll see you guys in sometime, inshallah.
What are you doing, Hassan?
So currently I'm about to get into a meeting right now, and apart from the meeting, I have around 75 applicants who has actually submitted to be a closer for our company. So I'm gonna go through each one of these folders and files and hopefully get the right person. And I have quite a lot of people to go through, you know. There's this email, which is hiring@halalhustle.io, where we post all of the, you know, sales rep applications, and all of the hirings that we do is done through this email. So just as you guys can see, there is so many people that have actually applied for this role. And these are the only people that I have actually shortlisted, which sounds crazy, but these are the only shortlisted people. There was more than 500 plus applicants that actually submitted their emails and, you know, their CVs, but then I shortlisted it to 75 people and I asked them, send me your Loom or 1 minute video, and alhamdulillah, a lot of them has already applied. It was probably over 100 people that I asked for, but 75 of them has up to now replied back. So I'm gonna go through the hiring process and hopefully get the right candidate. Let's see how this process goes, inshallah. And if you guys don't know, I post all of my hirings inside my Discord, which is completely for free, right down below. Make sure you guys join it and do not miss out, because I also give away one winning product every single day completely for free. I also have a dropshipping tutorial that you guys can watch completely for free, along with so many more things. So make sure you do not miss out, and inshallah have a look through the Discord. And let's get into the meeting now. Shots that we have. Do you think, are we running late by any chance, or are we still having enough time to process? That's perfect. Next time we're gonna make 1 million.
ولكي لا ننطفئ هلم كي نحيي فينا الآمال نزرع قيما نمحي جهلا للجنة نسعى برضا.
Alright, my people, we just reached and I just got done parking the car in front of my favorite coffee shop, which is called Flat 12. If you guys don't know this, I always come here, I always have my coffee. And my gym is actually nearby, so this is like my favorite spot for breakfast. Yeah, we just parked the car, man. Looks so beautiful. Allahumma barik. And gonna get my Spanish latte, talk with you guys, show you guys the cars inside, because there's some nice cars inside that I wanna show you guys. It's all vintage and stuff, so let's see how the day turns out, inshallah. This is just the beginning. All right, my people, we just got done parking the car, and beside us there's a beautiful Lamborghini Urus. Guys, imagine having both of these cars. What a dream collection. Allahumma barik. But yeah, right over here, there's so many vintage cars. Unfortunately, we cannot go inside because last time when I went inside, there was an event, but now they have these pillars. So I can't really show you guys from close by, but those cars that you guys see, most of them are very vintage and they're very old, and they have a huge value, guys. So that's why they have closed it down, because some kids actually went and scratched some of the cars as well. So now they're being very cautious. You cannot easily repair these cars with scratches and everything. Their paintings are even old. And especially that bus right over there, guys. I saw some people driving it, but it's actually so old. And if you guys know the movie called Conjuring 2, even in the movie, they were driving that car in one of the scenes. Now, I don't know if you guys know it, but the other day when we went to the scary room, they actually played Conjuring 2, and we watched it after so long. So that's how I remembered it as well. But yeah, we're just waiting for the coffee, and inshallah, once we get the coffee, probably gonna sit down, get my PC, get some more meetings done. I'll probably have lunch over here as well because they have some nice food, and overall just enjoy the day inshallah, and you guys will be a part of it, so let's see how it goes.
على جبين سعادتي وأفكاري تجري الحروف بأشواق وأقدار هذه يا قد سرت للسعد في أمل تروي الجمال بألفان وأطيار عروسة النور.
Alright, my people, we just got done giving the car to the valet. Look, two beautiful Cullinans right beside each other. Allahumma barik. Mine is more beautiful though. I don't like these rims. These are, I think, the latest rims. Oh my god, bro. This is actually insane. Allahumma barik. You guys might not be able to see what I'm seeing, but it's so mesmerizing, so beautiful. Allahumma barik. So yeah, right now we're about to go inside, get some coffee, get the meeting done, and enjoy the rest of the day. And the reason why I'm actually filming with the DJI is because I'm not allowed with the camera. So very unfortunate, but we kind of have to go through it. So let's go inside, inshallah. Fit the game, or more they changed like 2 times. This is the video. Molly. Let's do it, inshallah. Boys, you know what's the best part about the UAE? Everywhere that you go, there's prayer rooms. SubhanAllah, this place is so special that they give you these beautiful slippers that you cannot take home. You can wear it right over here. Perhaps I could take it home. You don't know. And you can take wudu with this. I swear it's the comfiest thing ever. It's so comfy, boys. SubhanAllah, man. This is just the UAE things, man. They've got slippers to wear just for you to make wudu right over here, which is such a beautiful place with the towels and everything, mashallah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Alrighty, my people, I hope you guys have been enjoying the vlog. For anyone who was wondering how they can win the $100, all I want you guys to do is put your favorite part of this video with a comment. Now, one part of the video could be anything. I don't want to mention it, I don't want to say anything. Whatever part that you watched, I want you to name your favorite part and a comment about it, So like, for example, 14:28. I don't even know if this video is 14 minutes, but if it is, of course, just write down 14:28. I love this part. Whatever part that has been your favorite. Even if you have a constructive kind of a comment, I'm ready to listen to it. If you said, hey, Ahsan, you should have done X, Y, and Z, I would love to listen to you guys. So I appreciate you guys for watching the video. I mean, it is currently the night, alhamdulillah. We've had such an amazing day, such an amazing meeting. Overall, like, bro, this video was a W day, alhamdulillah, and that's what I call a W day. When I get done with the things that I truly want to get done with, and it's 2026, you gotta go chase your dreams, you gotta go big, you gotta work as hard as you possibly can. So this is the year that you gotta turn your dreams come true, and you guys already know. If you guys want to learn what exactly I do, all you have to do is literally join the free Discord that we have in the comment section or in the description down below, and you guys will be able to actually see me live once in a week, and as well as get the daily winning product that we actually post completely for free, and so much more. Now, this Discord might be paid very soon, so perhaps I can't really guarantee you guys a time frame of when it will be paid and until how long is it free. But the soonest you join, the better it is for you. By the time I'm uploading this video, we're already probably thinking about some changes in the Discord, and you never know, that major change could be the price. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now we're gonna go back to home and enjoy the night, the rest of the night. I mean, I've woken up pretty early. It's currently 9:39 p.m. Probably around 25 minutes until I reach, and you know, take some time with the family. Probably by 11 go to bed and wake back up at 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. inshallah, because now Fajr is a little bit later than before, or what it used to be. So alhamdulillah. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys will enjoy the next few vlogs that's coming up. I have bangers for 2026, guys, so make sure you stay around, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you do not miss out on the future uploads. And yeah, thank you once again for watching this entire video, and jazakumullah khairan. If you guys have anything, questions, anything it may be, join the free Discord or comment it down below, and I would love to get back to you guys. So yeah, $100 winner will be announced within probably 3 days after uploading this video. So I want to give opportunity to everyone. If you're watching it later than that, I apologize, I'm sorry. And the winner will be announced on my Instagram story, so make sure you guys follow me there, because I will post the winner with their YouTube ID. So I can't really message you on YouTube. I have to actually, of course, post on my Insta, and then the person gives me the proof that they own that account with how many subscribers and the username. So I hope you guys got the point. But yeah, in 3 days we will have the winner, and inshallah maybe this $100 will be, I don't know, something that you can use in your business for fun, whatever it may be. It's completely up to you. And I'll be doing more giveaways in the future, so perhaps you don't want to miss out on those. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope inshallah you guys will have an amazing year coming ahead. And thank you so much for watching, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.